Namaskar, I am Krishna Sagar Rao, BJP spokesperson. It is a historic day today. It is one of those days when all Indians can celebrate the largest indirect tax reform in this country. It couldn't have been possible without the able leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and efficient management of the entire nation's political system by Arun Jaitley ji. I congratulate on behalf of Bharatiya Janata Party, the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi ji, and the Finance Minister, Arun Jaitley ji, for accomplishing this huge, unprecedented feat to ensure that India moves ahead. And this one nation, one tax, and one market dream is realized starting today. Today is a historic day, as I said, because GST is being rolled out from midnight today. Starting July 1st, GST is being implemented across the nation. It drives the economy by leaps and bounds. GST is not just a indirect tax reform of a mega size. It is also an impactor, a driver, a catalyst for change in India. It unifies India. It makes India one single market. It ensures that central government, no matter which party comes to power, has control over the entire market of the country. It drives and gives impetus to manufacturing, makes doing business with India easy, the ease of doing business. It also drives a lot of jobs through manufacturing impetus in this nation. Along with that, it is so important for us to understand the uniformity of taxes makes India a lean, mean trade and manufacturing machine. Now, this one reform can inch India from a developing nation to a developed nation. The vision of Prime Minister Narendra Modi is to ensure that in his few terms as Prime Minister from now, to transform this nation as a developed nation. If you do not do business in a structure, in a format which is simple and easy to enable enterprise and entrepreneurs, how can we achieve great results? How can we beat our competition like China and other European and Western nations? India today requires this reform like never before, and only the leaders like Narendra Modi and Arun Jaitley ji and the rest of the Narendra Modi ji's team can only be credited, along with all those governments, political parties, state heads who have supported this initiative willingly, and today they are a part of this magnum opus of a reform which will go down in history as one of the key reforms which has changed the path and put India on a new path for development. Bharatiya Janata Party is excited today that its leadership could achieve this great reform, and we are today going to enable that and put it to work in this nation. GST will not only impact ordinary people's lives by making the paperwork less cumbersome and by ensuring that they pay taxes for the value they derive, and ensure the poorest to the poor don't pay any GST, because most of the products produced by the small entrepreneurs and the farmers are being exempted from any tax, that is nil taxes, 0%. So these tax brackets of 0, 5, 10, 12, 18, 28, these brackets will ensure that the goods which are of great value will go ahead and make a great impact in the lives of people. On the other side, the manufacturing sector will get huge impetus, and the jobs can grow to a maximum level in this country. That impacts the lives of the ordinary people by getting them more employment, accessibility. Bharatiya Janata Party once again feels proud that its government is able to transform the dreams of millions and billions of Indians into a reality today. Welcome to GST. Welcome to one nation, one tax, and one market. Dhanyawad.